Hi there, welcome to How to AI in 4 minutes. Well, today we are taking a little longer than 4 minutes. In today's video, we are looking at 3 free no-code AI website builders. Our first AI website builder is Hokusai. Go to hokus.com, enter your email, and then click Make a free website to start creating your website. Once you're in, you'll get a pop-up message for you to select a category. Select the categories that best describe the type of website you're trying to create, and then click Continue. You'll have to complete the categories by giving more information concerning what you want to do with the website. Do this until the bar in the left side of the screen is complete in order for the AI to design a template that matches your idea. Once complete, you can choose between the different template styles, color palettes, and also pick a font. Click on Create My Website once you're done and wait for the AI to complete the template design. You can edit whatever you want on your website template, like changing photos and editing text design. You can navigate to all the different pages by clicking all pages in the top left corner and selecting the page you wish to edit. You can also replace the logo by hovering on it and selecting the edit icon. If you want to use their AI logo designer, click on AI. I choose to replace the logo. You can add a new widget by clicking the widget icon and picking from the many options available. You can also add a separate blog page to your website and also a custom domain name. Once you're done, click on View Website to take a look at your website. Next up, we have Leia AI. Go to leia.com. You can see they also have an Android app. Click on Get Started and fill in your type of business and click Just Build My Site to get started. I'm giving the AI more information about my site, like the website name, etc., because I selected the Ask Me Questions option. This is so it understands what I want. It asked for a logo, and I'm uploading one. Verify you're not a robot by filling in your email address and click Finish. Give it some seconds and then click on View It. From the template editor, you can edit the text and the text style. You can also toggle between the desktop and mobile views. You can replace the background image by clicking on this background icon and then selecting Image to upload yours or choose from their available stock images. You can edit, delete, or replace whatever you want on the template. Click on the icon in the lower right corner to show your toolbar to access more options. Once you're done, click Live to view your website. Next, we have Pineapple AI. Go to pineapplebuilder.com, click on Try AI for free. Select from the different template styles available. On the next page, slide to GPT-3 since you're using a free account, and then type in a prompt for the best description for your website. And also type in a target audience as well, then start generation. Pick a palette style and color, then hit Save at the top right to log in with Gmail, Facebook, or GitHub. Accept the terms and services, fill in your company's name, drag in a logo, and hit Next. From the template editor, you can edit text, or click the plus icon to add a new image holder or replace an image. You can click on the page icon to navigate through the different pages. Click on the 3 dots to view more options. You can edit the header. You can add a section by clicking on Add Section and pick a layout to view more options. You can edit the section text or add an image by clicking the image placeholder. Once you're satisfied, hit Publish and update live page. Then click the link to view your live website. Now you can create a website in few minutes with just a few clicks. Subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with our how-to tutorials and updates in the AI space.